Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I bring you the Alpha number 2740-30, so it's 30mm. It's nice stainless steel. And we got a 1, 2, 3, 4 pin lock. Well, we'll see. So let's get it in the vise. Pick this baby good. And maybe speed pick it afterwards, I don't know yet. Alright, let's see what we can find here. Pin 4. Yeah, it's 4 pins. Come on. Yeah. Sorry about that. Let's try it different. No, I cannot tension from here. Or maybe I can do like this. No. Alright, so again. Okay, we open. So it's not too hard, as you see. Let me remove the key, lock it back up, and I think I understood. Oh. But I think that wasn't too bad for a first speed pick. This was the Alpha number 2740-30, so it's 30mm stainless steel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.